How to host your own website on a own laptop or desktop computer at home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can use your own laptop or desktop computer and set it up as a server and host your own website, and also you can share this website to anyone without purchasing any domain or hosting services. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay, so guys, right now you can see my computer screen. In my old desktop computer, I installed this Ubuntu Linux operating system. So if you want to use your old desktop or laptop computer as a web server to host your own website, I'll suggest you to use any Linux-based operating system as a primary operating system of that computer. In my choice, I installed this Ubuntu Linux operating system as the primary operating system of that computer, which I want to use as a web server and host my website. So after installing any Ubuntu Linux operating system on it, open up your terminal window. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see the command very clearly. After that, first of all, you have to update all the packages of your Ubuntu operating system. For this, type this command sudo apt-y, then update, then press enter, then type your root password, then press enter, and it's going to update all the recent packages of your Ubuntu operating system. And after the update, I'll also suggest you to upgrade all the packages. For this, type this command sudo apt-y upgrade, then press enter, and it's going to upgrade all the packages. I had already updated and upgraded, so it's not going to take longer. Okay, now everything has been updated and upgraded. After that, you have to install the Apache web server to host your website on this Ubuntu machine. For this, type this command sudo apt install apache 2. Then press enter, and it's going to install the Apache web server in your Ubuntu Linux machine. Okay, now to start Apache web server, type this command systemctl start apache 2. Then press enter, then type your root password and press enter, and it's going to start the Apache web server. Now if you want to check the Apache service status, type this command systemctl status apache 2, then press enter, and here you can see the Apache 2 service has been activated. Now after that, you need to grab the IP address of your machine. Here I'm going to type ifconfig and press enter. If I scroll up, here you can see my IP address is 192.168.0.200. Then open up any of your browser and paste that IP address here. If you get this Apache default web page, that means your Apache web server is running perfectly. And now you have to put your website files to a specific directory to show your website on this IP address. For this, again, get back to terminal. Then on your terminal, type this command cd/var/www/html. Then press enter. Now type here ls, and here you will see the index.html file. So this is the file whatever previewing on this IP address. Simply remove that file. Type here sudo rm, then file name, and it will remove the file. And now you have to put your website file here into this directory. So I have my website file on the GitHub. So I'm going to again get back to my browser and go to my GitHub repository. I'm going to type here GitHub Mehdi Shakil. Then open up the GitHub repository. From here, I'm going to click on repositories. Then I'm going to click on this GitHub repo. So this is my website file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, copy the link from here, open up my terminal, and now we have to clone that repository on this directory. For this, you have to install the Git on your Ubuntu operating system. So here type this command sudo apt install git, then press enter. Installing this git is optional for you. If you have your website file on your computer, you can just simply drag and drop that file to this directory. Now after that, I'm going to type here sudo git clone and paste that URL here, then press enter. And now this command going to clone this GitHub repository. If I type here ls, here you can see the GitHub repository. Let's change my directory to that folder. And here is my website file, the index.html file, the image directory, fonts, and style.css. Now I'm going to copy everything to this directory. So I'm going to type here sudo cp-r, then asterisk for everything, then /var/www/html, then press enter. And it's going to copy everything to this directory. Let's revert back to previous directory. If I type here ls, here you can see I have all the files. And now after that, you have to restart your Apache web server. For this, type this command systemctl restart apache 2. Then press enter, type your root password again, and press enter. And it will restart the Apache web server. Now again, get back to your browser. And now if I reload this page, and now here you can see my website is live on this IP address. But for now, it's only accessible in my own local network. If you try to access this website, you will not be able to access it because this is my local IP address. And now let me show you how to configure like this, that you can access your website from anywhere. For this, take another tab, then search on Google Cloudflare tunnel download. Then go to this link developer.cloudflare.com. Then from here you have to download the Debian package for your operating system. If you use Intel based CPU, download this one. If you use ARM based CPU, download this one. So I have ARM 64-bit architecture CPU. For this, I'm going to click here, then copy the link from here. And now using the wget tool, I will download that file. So type here wget and paste that command. Then press enter. And now it's going to download the Cloudflare tunnel Debian package. If I type here ls, here you can see the Debian package. Now I have to install it. So type this command sudo apt install / then the file name. Then press enter and it's going to install the Cloudflare tunnel on your Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now after that, you have to enable the Cloudflare tunnel. For this, type this command sudo cloudflare tunnel -- url, then type here http, then your localhost and the port number. Then press enter, and now in couple of seconds it will give you a domain or URL to access your website from anywhere. And here you can see we have a URL. Copy this URL from here. Now open up your browser and navigate to that URL. And guys, here you can see our website is now loading on this URL. Now you can easily access your website from this URL. And now one more thing you have to understand, if you want to keep your website live for 24/7, you have to keep turn on your laptop or desktop 24/7, because once your computer is shut down, this website will be gone. And guys, there is another method where you can keep your website live for 24/7 without keeping power on your computer or laptop. If you want me to make that video, please comment down below, and I'll try to make that video too. So guys, that's how you can set up your very own website on an old laptop or desktop computer at your home without spending any single penny. So I hope you like this video and enjoyed this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video and this video helped you anyway, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SStec tutorial, and I'm signing out.